Hello everyone, welcome to Exam 4 English Medium Prep by Exam 4 guys. I'm Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and a very good morning to all of you guys, those who have joined. And those who have joined guys, please do one thing, is please do the sharing part of the session guys. So today is the lecture 3 of ratios and proportion. We have already completed 2 lectures. In the first lecture, we have done basics of ratios. In the second session, guys, we have done proportions from basic to advanced. And now we are doing income expenditure type. So today, guys, on our radar is going to be guys, what are the different types of ratios and proportions which comes in the examination. So we are going to cover over them. We are going to do the cover over them. So do join. Good morning, Srivani. Good morning. Very good morning to all of you, those who have joined. Just do one thing, is do the sharing part of the session as well. Just do one thing, do the sharing part of the session as well. Okay, so I think this is the question which is being left. This is the question which is being left. Okay, so we will continue from here. We will continue from here. I've given you this question as a homework and asked you to do it. I've given you this question as a homework and asked you to do it. So I hope you might have done it, guys, properly. 2 times the A. 2 times the A is equal to 3 times the B. 2 times the A is equal to 3 times the B. And B is also equal to 4 times the C. And B is also equal to 4 times the C. And B is also equal to 4 times the C. So A by B ratio coming 3 by 2. A by B ratio coming 3 by 2. And B by C ratio coming 4 by 1. And B by C ratio coming 4 by 1. B is 4 here, B is 2 here. So make it 4. Make it 4. Multiply by 2. So it is 6 by 4 and this is 4 by 1. So ABC is 6, 4, 1. From this logic. From this logic that B is equal to 4C. From this logic, B is equal to 4C. However, if we take this logic that 3B is equal to 4C, if we take this logic that 3B is equal to 4C, 3 times of B is also equals to 3 times of B is also equal to 4 times of C. So 2A is equal to 3B is equal to 4C. Divide by the LCM. Divide by the LCM. So which is A by 6, B by 4 is equal to C by 3. Answer. So it's a language game. It's a language game, guys. What it is a language game. You have to interpret that what it is trying to say. 3 times of B is also equal to 4 times of C. 3 times of B is also equal to 4 times of C. So, where I have taken this consideration, 3 times of B is also equal to 4 times of C. Okay? So this is 3 times of B is equal to 4 times of C. So please do take care of this language. Please do take care of this language. Okay, great. Next. This was also left for you. I hope you might have done it. Okay, have you tried it? 2 by 3 of A, 30% is 3 by 10 of B. So A by B is 9 by 20. A by B is 9 by 20. A by B is 9 by 20. 9 by 20 here, 9 by 20 here, here not, here not. Two options are gone. Two options are gone. A by B is 9 by 20. Only in the option number A and option number B, 9 by 20 is there. In no other option, 9 by 20 is there. So one option is gone. Now let's see the second equation. Let's see the second equation. 30% means 3 by 10 of B is equal to 0.5 is 1 by 2 of C. Okay. So which comes out to be B by C is 5 by 3. B by C is 5 by 3. Where it is maintained? Is it maintained 5 by 3 here? Yeah. If you simplify by 4, it is 3, it is 5. Answer. Initial ratio should be equal to final ratio. That is the point we are using. That is the point we are using. Got it. That is the point we are using, that initial ratio should be equal to final ratio. So we just maintained this by the help of the options. By the help of the options. Yeah. Cool. So now it's the time when we are going to begin with our new topics. I think the last question before beginning the new topic. Okay, Shrivani, well done. 3 by 5 of P is equal to 7 by 2 of Q. So P by Q is 7 5 ja 35, 3 2 ja 6. P by Q should be in the ratio 35 ratio 6. P by Q should be in the ratio 35 ratio 6. Is it 35 ratio 6 here? No. Is it 35 ratio 6 over here? No. Is it over here? No. Is it here? Yes. Watch out. If the options would be there, question would be becoming very easy. Yeah. We are appearing for our objective examination. In our objective examination, these kind of questions will become very easy for us. Yeah. Just we check the what is P by Q ratio originally. P by Q original ratio is 35 ratio 6. Only in one option it is maintaining 35 ratio 6. So that is our answer. So that is our answer. Clear? Guys, please do the sharing part as well once, because we are going to do other important questions as well. Because we are going to do other important questions as well. Okay. Well done. Let's move on. Let's move on. This is very easily doable. This is very easy doable. I'm skipping this and beginning with the topic of the day. Yeah, make the next heading. Make the next heading as income expenditure type. income expenditure type. Make the next heading as income expenditure type. What is the formula, guys, for income? You know, income for a salaried person is from the income he either expend it, like he either spend it, and whatever is the remaining is his savings. Very few. So there are only two things, that income is equal to expenditures plus saving. In the donations, I can call it as I is equal to E plus S. In the donations, I can call it as I is equal to E plus S. So wherever required, I minus E can be used as saving, or I minus S can be used as expenditure. Yeah, that is a very common sense that we can use this. Whenever it is required, then income minus expenditure can be called as saving, or income minus savings can be called as expenditure, because the formula is income is equal to expenditures plus saving. Income is equal to expenditures plus saving. Very quality questions comes from here. Yeah, very quality questions comes from here. Let's see one by one. Yeah. This is the first question of the day. Incomes of X and Y are given. Their expenditure ratio is also given. Saving of X, saving of Y is given. What is the income of X? I will take all the cases, guys. I will take solution by all the methods, all the cases, and a lot of different things is going to be delivered. Income of X and Y is given. Expenditure of X and Y is given. Their savings are also given. What is the income of X? What is the income of X? I'm solving a question for you. This is the question I'm solving for you. X ratio Y, income, 5 ratio 6. Expenditure, 6 ratio 5. Savings, 7,000 and 15,000. Ratios are not balanced. Ratios are not balanced. How does we get to know? How can X spend more than what he earn? Means ratios are not balanced. Ratios are not balanced. We do not need to require the balance the ratios. Understand the crisscross method. Cross multiply between them and cross multiply between them. This is 36 minus 25. This is 36 minus 25. Bigger number minus a smaller number. So 36 minus 25 is 11. And what is this? This is 90,000. This is 35,000. So 90K minus 35K. 90K minus 35K is 55K. So this 11 is equal to 55,000. This 11 is equal to 55,000. So if 11 is equal to 55,000, then 1 is equal to 5,000. Then 1 is equal to 5,000. What is the income of X? Income of X is 5. Income of X is 5. So if 1 is 5,000, 5 is 5 into 5, that is 25,000. We can do it once with the complete method as well. we can do it once with the complete method as well, guys. No issue, since you are learning it for the very first time. It's my moral responsibility to give you by the complete method as well, okay? However, I know that later on you are going to use this only. Later on you are going to use this only, and this is from here you can find the income directly. You cannot find the expenditure from here, but you would be able to find the income directly from here. From this way, you would be able to find the income directly of X and Y as well. Yeah. Expenditure, you can only find by then finding the income and saving subtracting the saving, then you can find out the expenditure. What is the basic way, bacha? Assume the income 5K, 6K. Assume the income 5K, 6K. Savings are already given 7,000 and 15,000. What would be the expenditure? Income minus saving 5K minus 7,000. And what is the expenditure for Y? It's 6K minus 15,000. Expenditure of X, expenditure of Y is known in terms of K. Expenditure of X, expenditure of Y is known in terms of K. And their ratios is also given 6:5. So basically this shortcut is derived from here only. Basically this shortcut is being derived from here only. Multiply. 35K minus 35,000 is equal to 36K minus 90,000. So you will get to know 11K is equal to 55,000 and same. Both the methods are clear, bacha? Both the methods are clear. The trick one and the basic one. The trick one and the basic one. Okay. The trick one and the basic one. Next. Incomes known, savings known, expenditure ratio known, income of A. Incomes known, savings known, expenditures known. What is the income of A? Income of A, expenditure of A and B, and savings are also 600. Just observe it whether the ratios are balanced or not. Just observe it whether the ratios are balanced or not. Earn 4, spend 3, save 1. 600. Earn 3, spend 2, save 1. According to ratio as well, saving 1. And according to actual values as well as 600. According to actual values as well, 600. So 1 is equal to 600. Then income of A is 4. So 4 is equal to 600 into 4, 2400. However, you can apply the previous method as well. But the job is much simpler over here. So need not to apply the previous method. If you want to apply the previous one, you can apply the previous one as well. You will still get your answers. Yeah. I'm applying, guys, for your better understandings. Yeah. I'm applying for your better understandings. Apply the crisscross. 9 minus 8, 1. 1800 minus 1200. 1800 minus 1200, 1 is equal to 600. So 4 is equal to 24. So for the incomes, this is the best. For finding out the incomes, this is among the best. You need not to do anything else apart from it. You need not to do anything else apart from it. Clear? Let's move on to the next questions. Come on, guys. I'm looking for the answers. I'm looking for the answers. Income of the persons is known as 6:7. And their savings are known, guys. What is known? Their savings are known. Savings are 2:3. And their expenditures are 6,000 and 4,000. Okay. Do you want to apply the crisscross or do you want to go for the basics? Do you want to apply the crisscross or you want to go for the basics? If you go for the basics, assume the income as 6K. Assume the income as 6K. Income minus expenditure. Income minus expenditure. And here the income minus expenditure is 7K minus 4,000. Income minus expenditure is the ratio of the saving. Answer. Income minus expenditure is the ratio of the saving. So 6K minus 6,000 is the saving of A, and 7K minus 4,000. Income minus saving is the income minus expenditure is the saving of A, and income minus expenditure is the saving of B. Its ratio is given 2:3. So 18K minus 18,000 should be equal to 14K minus 8,000. Take it over here. 4K is equal to 10,000. Or you can say 2K is equal to 5,000. 2K is equal to 5,000. Or K is equal to 2,500. K is equal to 2,500. Incomes are 6K and 7K. 6 into 2,500, 7 into 2,500, which is about 15,000 and 17,500. Guys, have you tried it by the crisscross? Have you tried it by the crisscross? You can. You should. This is as far as the incomes is being asked. As far as the incomes is being asked, you should. (18 minus 14). 18 minus 14 is 4. 18,000 minus 8,000, 10,000. So 4 is equal to 10,000. So 4 is equal to 10,000. If 4 is equal to 10,000, then 1 is equal to 2,500. So 6 is equal to 6 into 2500. 7 is equal to 7 into 2500 answers. Crisscross is wonderful, guys. Is the crisscross is wonderful? And what is the origin of it? Origin of it is this equation. When someone will ask you what is the origin of the crisscross method, you will say the origin of the crisscross method is this equation. Yeah, the origin of the crisscross method is this particular equation. Okay. So whether it is income ratio known, whether it is saving ratio known, we can apply the crisscross with the origin of this income 6:7. Income 6:7. Saving 2:3. And expenditure values 6,000 and 2,000. Apply the crisscross. 18 minus 14, 4 is equal to 18,000 minus 8,000, 10,000. Answer. 4 is equal to 10,000. So 1 is equal to 2,500. Gone. Just this much space and it is gone. Just this much space and it is gone. Next. Right? Please quickly like and share the session as well. And if you have joined, guys, and you're watching the session, you can let me know as well about your understanding of the topic, about the knowledge of the topic, and guys, about the betterment in the topic by the help of comments, by the making of thumbs up in the chat box, or by writing yes sir, we got it, we are understanding it. You can do such small things. Yeah. Shrivani, is it the new answer? Shrivani, is it the new answer? Looking like so. Income of Ajay Vinay. Ajay Vinay 4:3. Expenditure is in the ratio 3:2. And savings are 4,000 and 6,000. 9 minus 8, 1 is equal to 18,000 minus 8,000. 18,000 minus 8,000, 10,000. 1 is equal to 10,000. What is the sum of their monthly income? Sum of their monthly income is 4 plus 3, 7. Sum of their monthly income is 4 plus 3, 7. So if 1 is equal to 10,000, then 7 is equal to 70,000. Guys, can we mark the answer without even doing it? Come on, tell me. Can we mark the answer without even doing it? Yeah. Because whatever is the value, whatever is the multiplication factor, sum is 7 according to ratio. So answer should be a multiple of 7. So answer should be a multiple of 7. No. We can even mark it without, even, what do you say, solving it. Because sum of the income is 4 and 3, that is 7. So answer should be a multiple of 7. And multiple of 7 is only one option, 70,000, no other. Next. So all such things, guys, I will keep on delivering. Now that is something very exciting to learn. That is something very exciting to learn, guys. Incomes ratio known. Expenditure ratios known. Savings known. Incomes ratio known, expenditures ratio known, and the savings actual values are known. And the savings actual values are known. What is the difference between their expenditures? Income is in the ratio 3:5. Expenditure is in the ratio 4:7. And the savings are given as 16,000 and 26,000. I told you a point, na? Do you remember? I told you a point, Aman, well done. I told you a point that crisscross can be used for finding the incomes directly, not expenditure. You cannot find the expenditure directly. However, we can find the incomes, na? There is no bad thing in finding the incomes, yeah? So we can find the incomes first. Crisscross, 21 minus 21. 21 minus 21. And what is this? Bit more multiplication. I think 104K. And this is what? 112K. So 8K. Looking like 8K. 8,000. Yeah. 1 is equal to 8K. So 8,000. First find out the incomes. 8 3s are 24K, 24,000, and 5 8s are 40,000. Because we cannot find out the expenditure directly from crisscross method. 24,000 minus 16,000, 8,000 is the expenditure of A. 40,000 minus 26,000, 14,000 is the expenditure of B. What is their difference? 6,000. Please watch it. Well done, Aman. So proud of you. So even if they are asking the expenditures, we can give the answer. However, if you say, sir, 1 is equal to 8K, so 3 is the difference, 24K, then you are wrong. Yeah? All logics clear? If you say, sir, 1 is equal to 8K, so the difference is 3, so 3 is equal to 24K, but 24,000 is not the difference between their expenditures. The difference between their expenditures is 8,000, 14,000. The difference between them is 6,000. Is it perfect? We have reached the next level, yeah? Guys, we have reached the next level. If it is perfect, then just do let me know by your sayings, yes, sir. So what we learned today? We learned today that in the expenditures, this crisscross is not applicable. In the expenditures, you cannot find from this crisscross. Crisscross is applicable only for the incomes. You can find the incomes directly from the crisscross. If incomes is known, savings is unknown, then expenditure can also be known. However, if you want to write the equation, then equation writing would be, let the income is 3K, Saving is 16,000. Let the income is 5K. Saving is 26,000. 4 ratios. First you will find the income from here, then you will find the expenditure. Please do take a good care of it. Please do take a good care of discussion. Incomes ratio 2:3. Expenditure ratio 1:2. B expenditure, 90% of B expenditure is equal to income of A. Okay. So 90% of 2 is 1.8. 1.8 is not equal to 2. So we need to assume the variable. We need to assume the variable, guys. Is it okay what I'm saying? I'm saying that we need to assume the variable. Let's suppose this is 2x, this is 3x, this is 1y, and this is 2y. So 90% is 9/10 of 2y. 90% of expenditure of B is equal to income of A, 2x. So y over x is in the ratio 10:9. Y over x is in the ratio 10:9. If you want to assume only one variable, then also it was fine. If you only want to assume one variable, then also it is fine. I will take up that solution as well. So what are your actual incomes? Y is 10, x is 9, 9 2 ja 18. Yeah, 27. Putting x is equal to 9 here. Putting y is equal to 10 here. It's 10, it's 20. This is income, this is expenditure. So savings are 8 and 7. Please do watch out. If you want, we can make it bit short as well. However, mostly this is the good solution. This is the logical solution what you should be going for. This is the logical solution which you should be going for. 90% of the expenditure of B is equal to income of A. However, at any point of time, if you feel like, sir, little bit short, can you make it little bit short? I can make it a little bit short. Only one step I will make it short is I would not be using X and Y. I would be using K only. Only one step, guys, I can help you that I would not be using X and Y. I would be only using K only. That is the maximum thing which is possible. Is it clear to all? Is this question is clear to all? Otherwise, income 2:3, expenditure K and 2K. Yeah. So 90% of the 90%, that is 9/10 of 2K, is equal to income of A. 2. So K comes out to be 10 by 9. So K comes out to be 10 by 9. So values are 10 by 9 and 2K is 20 by 9. Incomes are 2 and 3. Find out their savings. 2 minus 10 by 9 is 18 minus 10, 8 by 9. And 3 minus 20 by 9 is 27 minus 20, 7 by 9. 8:7. Is it perfect? Sir, maybe you are taking practice questions from basics. Okay, like you are trying to say, take it more basic, like make it more basic. Is it like this? Okay, well done, Pragati. It would be 66 2 by 3. Okay, like practice sessions. Okay, yeah, but as I'm seeing, like to teach at least few topics completely. Yeah, because a lot of my practice sessions are already there. I want to teach some of one or two topics pure completely. So ratios might be first of them, which I'm taking the completely. Like any beginner can watch it and complete it from here only. Any beginner can watch it and do it completely from over here. No need to study from whatever. These 2 to 3 topics I will definitely take in this manner where I'm teaching it completely. Income of A and B is in the ratio 5:7. Expenditure of A is 66 2 by 3% of B. So can I say expenditure of A 66 2 by 3% is 2 by 3 of expenditure of B? So expenditure of A and expenditure of B is in the ratio 2:3. So expenditure of A and expenditure of B is in the ratio 2:3. What are the savings value? What are the savings value? 4,000 and 5,000. I think we should be going for crisscross. We should be going for crisscross. Apply the crisscross. 15 minus 14, 1 is equal to 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 is 12 minus 10 is 2K. 1 is equal to 2,000. What is the total income of A plus B? 5 plus 7, 12. The total income of A plus B is 12. So if 1 is equal to 2,000, then 12 is equal to 12 into 2,000, that is 24,000. Perfect. Great, Pragati, Shrivani, and all. If 1 is equal to 2,000, then 12 is equal to 24,000. Now let me check whether the innovate something new is there or not. New is there. New is there. Why not? New is there. Incomes of S, T, and U is given in the ratio 15, 16, 20. Their expenditures are given in the ratio 12, 14, 15. If you saved 3/8 of his income, of his income, find the ratio of the savings of S and T. Incomes of STU is there in the ratio 15, ratio 16, ratio 20. And expenditures are 12, 14, 15. Now we will look that what is the given information. What is the given information so that we can proceed on this question? What is the given information so that we can proceed on this question? You save 3/8 of his income. For you, saving an income is in the ratio 3/8. For you, saving an income is in the ratio 3/8. Can I say if you earn 8, then he save 3? Can I say if you earn 8, he save 3? So he expenditure is 5. His expenditure is 5. So for you, all the data is known. You income is 3, saving is 3, income is 8, saving is 3, so expenditure is 5 for you. Now, if you are comfortable in X and Y, make it X, 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 make it Y, Y, Y. That is also a great way. So, for you, income and expenditures are 20X over 15Y. For you, income and expenditures are 20X and 15Y, but actually it is 8 and 5. According to here, for you, income and expenditures are 20X and 15Y. And according to this data, it is income is 8, expenditure is 5. Simplify. Five x upon 3y is equal to 2. Or you can say x upon y is in the ratio 6/5. X and y is in the ratio 6/5. Put x is equal to 6 over here. 90. Put x is equal to 6 over here. 96. Y is 5. 60. Y is 5. 70. So what is the savings? 90 minus 60, 30. And what it is here? 26. What is the ratio? 15/30. Do watch out, guys. This is good for the complete learning. This is good for the complete learning. Yeah, this is good for the complete learning. Not good, very good for the complete learning. So after this, I will continue the more examples over it in the next session, and will begin a new subtype as well. After this, we will begin we will do more examples over this in the new, like in the next session, and we'll begin the next subtopic as well. This is already done. This is the homework for you. This is the homework for you. One, take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Two. Only two homeworks. You have to reply in the comment box. We will do the remaining income expenditure questions, and we'll begin the new subtype. And we'll begin the new subtype as well. Okay? Cool and clear? I hope so. Cool and clear. Keep it up. All the very best. Do revise it multiple times. Do revise it multiple times. Yeah. Okay. Take care of yourself. It's already 51. My one more class is coming. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. See you in the next session.